From here, you want to go to the bottom and I want you to click the Assets button. This brings you to the Assets page where you have USDT, which is money that you put in there and money that you're going to take out of the system. And then VDL. And VDL is a coin that is only used by Vidilook to pay you for watching ads. So the next thing we need to do is we need to make sure that we deposit enough money in your USDT to cover the cost of the subscription plan that you want to buy. So to do this, you need to click the deposit button so that you can get the address of your Vidilook wallet so that you can fund it with money. So now that you have your deposit screen up, you want to get the wallet address, which is underneath the square, I don't know what you call that thing, Q code or something like that. But regardless, if you click the copy button underneath that Q code, it's going to copy that wallet address. That is the address of your Vidilook wallet that accepts deposits for USDT. Now you have to look at the information below the screen and see exactly what network that you have to transfer across, because I use Binance US, my exchange, and I'm in the US, and I'm required to do TRC, but I'm hearing from people that are international that doesn't work for them yet. So you need to look at the description at the bottom there, and you need to read it carefully, because if you send money not on the right network for them to accept it, you will lose your money. But as long as you follow their instructions, everything should be fine. Now you need to go to your exchange. My exchange is Binance US, so that's the one I'm going to show an example with. So this is assuming you already have copied your wallet deposit address. I'm going to open up my Binance app. I'm going to log in. I've got to go to my two-factor authentication app and get the latest code. And of course, you've got a time period, so you got to get back over there. Now I'm in. So now what I want to do is go to the wallet. And it just dawned on me that since I copied my Google Authenticator code, I lost my wallet code. So I'm going to go back to Vidilook, go to my deposit, copy that address. You see the copy success. So then I'm going to go back to my Binance app. I'm going to go withdraw. I'm going to withdraw USDT. I'm going to ignore their message because they always give you that. Now, it says right there it's the Ethereum address, which we know is incorrect for USD for me. So I need to go to Tron, and I know you can't read those. I mean, who could read those? They're so small at the top, but if you go over the top far right, they're in alphabetical order. I know that's Tron. So now it says Tron TRC20 address, so I know that's the right network. So now I'm going to copy in, paste in my address, and I already memorized the first 3 and the last 3 characters because I want to double check, because you want to make sure that what you thought you pasted is what you pasted, because there is no going back. This is all up to you. You screw up, it's on you. So now I'm going to click next. I'm going to put in a value. Let's say I'm going to put in 25 USDT. Now remember, there are transaction fees. So I usually put in like anywhere up to 5%, but usually since I've done this a while, I know. So 25, probably 1 or 2 extra will get me. Because if I just sent 25, once they subtract the transaction fee, I wouldn't get 25 over in my wallet, over in Vidilook. So you want to make sure you cover that. So I'm going to put 27 in. just to make sure. Now I'm going to click Preview Withdrawal, and it's going to show me that, you know, what it's withdrawing. Actually, the fee only ended up being $1 at this low amount. Now, you know, the limit, the minimum is 10. They won't let you transfer less than 10 USDT because it's just not worth it with the, you know, fees. Anyway, so now we're going to do withdraw USDT. I've got to go back to my Google Authenticator app. They like to two-factor you to death. But, hey, it protects you. So, you know, can't be too upset about it. Allow paste, paste it in. Boom. Now it's going to say go to your email. Because you got to go to your email because they also send you an email that you have to verify that you did, in fact, make that withdrawal. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, I confirm the withdrawal. Look app. And I'm going to go back and see if the amount is there. It's really hard to tell since I've already got money there. But you will know when you get an email that says it's successful. And you can always go to deposit. No, you can go up here. And then it will show you the deposit amounts. So that'll show you your records of how many deposits you've made. You can do the same thing with withdrawals. So if you go back to withdrawal, if you click this up at the top right, you're going to see the amount of withdrawals you've taken. I'm going to go back, and I'm sure it's going to get there. Oh, look, I can tell it's already there because it says 49, so it's updated. So now you have that in your USDT. Now that you've got the money, so once you get your wallet funded, now you need to go to the bottom menu and go back to the home page.